What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got an important one because we're going to be talking about why I think you and I should wait until 2022 to buy the new Tacoma. So as you know, I sold the truck and I'm looking to replace it. So this video is not saying I'm going to get a Tacoma, but if I was to get a Tacoma, would I wait for next year or just buy it now? For the most part, when I make my videos, I have you in mind, the viewer. I try to provide some type of value. But in this case, I'm trying to convince myself not to go to a dealership and pay whatever they ask me for, because I'm hopeful that the 22 Tacoma has some stuff that I'm interested in. Before I start, let's get the obvious out there. I know there's not a new generation coming out or huge modifications coming to the 22, but imagine being in the market for a Toyota Tacoma in 2019 and you decide, okay, I want a TRD Sport. I wish it had a little bit more features, but it doesn't. Fine, whatever, I'll take my 2019. You get online, you're commenting on this guy's video, and boom, 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport comes out. New wheels, new seat, powered seat, and Apple CarPlay. 4 key things make a huge difference in everyday use. So that's one of the things that I'm talking about today, features. There are some stuff that I've observed from the years of Toyotas and the Tacomas and whatnot, and I have a weird feeling that the 22 Tacoma is going to have something different that I'm actually looking for. The TRD Sport got new wheels. The SR5 got new wheels and extra wheel option. The TRD Pro also got new wheels. The Limited also got new wheels. If you're a nerd like me, there's 2 trims that I haven't talked about. An SR, those are the Steelies, which usually don't change because they're for a work vehicle. The TRD Offroad. The TRD Offroad hasn't gotten a wheel change, and I'm praying that the 22 has that wheel change. Maybe. I don't know. I hope. I don't remember when the 2020 came out, if they like boasted about it, if they were talking about it. We just kind of saw it and found out about it. Kind of hoping that that's what they're doing with the Tacoma, just kind of being secretive, and then boom, brand new wheels on the off-road. Now this one's a little bit far-fetched, as the 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro kind of spoiled this for me. But I was really hoping for the 22 year that we had passenger powered seats. Now, I don't think that's gonna happen because the TRD Pro came out and they were able to review it and look at it and stuff, and it doesn't have it. So with that being said, I think that one's out, but fingers crossed for some cool features, and especially the number 2 thing. And these aren't numbered in any particular way, not one is more important than the other. But number 2, the quality. One of the reasons I sold my truck is because the quality had gone down. I had a 19 SR and a 19 SR5, both of which had no problem. I beat them up, destroyed them, no problemos at all. But this TRD Sport that was built in Mexico was giving me a bunch of minor little things that I didn't like. Rattling window, weird noises when I turned, the Qi charger wouldn't work sometimes, and also my blind spot monitoring wouldn't turn on or it wouldn't turn off. These are 4 things that I personally felt like were really unacceptable from Toyota, just because it's Toyota. Like, you don't expect little things like this to happen. You expect that from Ford. I personally think, and you also know, that the first year of anything is always sketchy. It's always weird. There's bumps and imperfections in the process. So I think that was the first year of Tacomas being built in Mexico. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt. But 21s are getting a little bit better. Seeing this from forums, a lot of people with the 20s complain about a lot of stuff. Thankfully, I didn't get an off-road of 20 everywhere on YouTube. Well, not everywhere, but there's a few videos on YouTube of everyday average Joes, just like you and me, making videos about crawl control not working. Hopefully, the 22s don't have this issue. Let me know if you've had that issue, or if you don't really use crawl control, maybe give it a shot. Let us know how it goes. But yeah, little imperfections, and I hope that they smoothen them out for the 2022 year. Now, the third and probably most obvious and unfortunate, I guess, thing of this whole experience is it's the worst time to buy, I think, in all of history. And of course, there's people out there who are getting good deals, paying a little bit over MSRP, or some people are getting it at MSRP. But me personally, I bought my last truck way below MSRP. It was at $39,000 and I got it at $38,000 out the door with no down payment. I really don't want to pay MSRP or a little over MSRP for a truck that isn't spec to my likings, because if I spec it, I have to wait till October, and that's fine if I could order a 22, but I can't. So I'm super excited because when the time comes, I'll be ready, and the more we wait kind of gives us more time to see if this is true. Maybe they give us new features. I think if we wait and we hold off and we just let this kind of simmer down, we should be able to get the 22 Tacoma. And hey, if the new Tacoma comes out and you don't like it, you're probably like a month or two away from the new Tundra. Now you can give that a shot. I really want to wait for the 22 Tacomas, and then by that time, the 22 Tundras, we're gonna know what it looks like. We're gonna know what it sounds like. It's exciting. It's a very exciting time for me because I'm finally back to truck shopping, and who doesn't love shopping for the next vehicle? So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, let me know. Is there anything I missed? Are you having troubles with your 20 or 21? Was it built in Mexico? I know some were still built in San Antonio, Texas, which is pretty cool, but I'm very interested in going through forums. It's kind of a sketchy time for Tacoma right now, but I think we'll get through it and the Tacoma name will live large and be a beast. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.